Welcome to Grow My Saving. Today, we're tackling one of the biggest money questions beginners face. Should you save first or start investing right away? It's a question that confuses a lot of people, especially when social media keeps saying, invest now, don't let your money sit idle. But here's the truth, both saving and investing are important. The real challenge is knowing which one to focus on first based on your financial situation. By the end of this episode, you'll know how to find the perfect balance. So your money works smarter, not harder. Let's start with saving. Saving means putting money aside safely, usually in a bank account, emergency fund, or short-term goal fund. The main goal, security and accessibility. You want your savings easy to reach when life happens. Car repairs, medical bills, job changes, or sudden expenses. Think of saving as your financial foundation. Before you can build wealth, you need stability, a safety net that protects you from going into debt when something unexpected happens. Experts often recommend having at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved in an emergency fund. It's not about earning big returns, it's about peace of mind. Now let's talk about investing. Investing is when you put your money into assets, like stocks, ETFs, or mutual funds that have the potential to grow over time. The goal of investing isn't safety, it's growth. Your money works for you by generating returns through compound interest or market gains. Investing helps you beat inflation, build long-term wealth, and reach big goals like retirement or financial independence. But remember, investing carries risk. The value of your investments can go up and down. That's normal. That's why saving first is key. It gives you a safety cushion so you can invest with confidence, not fear. Here's the simple rule most financial experts agree on. Save first, then invest. Start by building your emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses. Paying off high-interest debt, like credit cards. Once those are handled, begin investing consistently. Saving protects you. Investing grows you. You need both, but in the right order. Because if you skip the safety net and jump straight into investing, one emergency could force you to sell your investments early and lose money in the process. So think of saving as your shield and investing as your sword. Both are powerful, but the shield comes first. Once your foundation is set, don't stop saving. Just shift your focus. Keep a small portion of your income, maybe 10 to 20% in savings for short-term needs, and direct the rest toward investing for long-term goals. You can even automate both. Automatic transfers for your savings and recurring investments each month. That's how you create a balanced money system. Steady, smart, and stress-free. Thanks for tuning in to Grow My Saving. Remember, saving gives you security, and investing builds your future. When you balance both, you're not just managing money, you're mastering it. And in our next episode, we'll explore how to turn saving habits into investing power, the step-by-step guide to grow your money with confidence.